As Typhoon Jebi struck, it was packing wind speeds of up to 172 kilometres an hour. It made landfall around midday in southwestern Japan. With the violent winds also came driving rain, and on the coastline, massive waves. The power of the storm forced this 2,500-tonne tanker from its mooring, sending it crashing into a nearby bridge. Buildings were ripped apart across the country. A section of the ceiling at Kyoto Station collapsed. In Osaka, the typhoon coincided with a tidal surge inundating the airport. As the storm moved northeast, it left behind a path of destruction. More than 1 million people have been evacuated and thousands more are without power. Japan's weather agency is warning of possible landslides, floods and tornadoes.
If there is more damage again, I don't know if the residents will be able to recover from that.
This storm is the first typhoon to be classed very strong in Japan since 1993, when a similar storm left 48 people missing or dead. Jebi is expected to weaken as it passes over the Sea of Japan, but it's just the latest in a string of extreme weather events to hit the country this summer, including landslides and floods in July, which killed 200 people. Sarah Morice, TRT World.